Hello guys, welcome to the 48th session of using Microsoft Board Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session we will learn what is Text Analysis API and how to use it. Text Analysis API is very useful if you want to perform some operations on user-generated contents. Using it, we can detect sentiment, key phrases and language from your text. Using Language API, we can detect which language is used in given text. It may give multiple languages. It also includes score, so we can identify the dominant language. The key phrase API returns a list of strings denoting the key talking points in the input text. Currently, it supports only English, German, Spanish, and Japanese. Sentiment analysis is very helpful if you are developing a system in which a large number of users may give reviews, and you don't have such a time to read those all. Using sentiment analysis, we can sentiment for given text. Its value will be between 0 to 1. 0 represents negative and 1 represents positive response. I have already installed language package from NuGet and created new dialog in which just obtain text from the user, and also create constant for key and region. Here is new helper class in which I have just added required namespaces and updated message controller. To create new text analysis API, click on New, search for text, select Text Analysis API, click on Create, fill those required details and click on Create button. I have already created one, so open it. Click on Overview. Here my region is West US. Click on Keys, copy any, update both values. Now, I'm starting with detecting language. Let us open Helper. Create a new method named obtainLanguage, which takes the key, region, and text from parameter. First of all, we need to create an instance of Text Analytics API. Update key and region. Here we need to use detect language async method. It takes batch input as a parameter. We can pass multiple text to this method to perform the operation. However, in this session, we are just passing one line text that user writes. Let us create instance of batch input, which takes a list of input. It takes two parameters. First is document ID, using which we can uniquely identify the result of the specific line when we are passing multiple items in the list. All results will be stored under documents property, which contains a result for each document. So let us obtain first and retrieve detected languages property. This is also a list. Now check that if we got any items, then display its name. Otherwise, return unable to detect language. And call this method from the dialog. display message that we got, save all files and run it. Create a new conversation. Let us send, "Hello, how are you?" Here we got English. I have opened Bing to translate text in another language. Let us select French, copy text, and here we got French. Let us translate it to Hindi, send it. We got Hindi, and also try for Russian. We got proper language as per text that we are giving. Now let us see what we have learned in this session. We saw what is text analysis and understood its various APIs. Here is an example to identify language from text. For this we need to use detect language async method and pass batch input as a parameter. In next session we will see how to detect key phrases and sentiment. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.